And this is my 3D model of the irrigation system. The purpose of this 3D model is to help solve the global problem of people not having enough water to sprinkle on their crops to grow during drought or dry season. I have noticed that plants don't get enough water usually when there is a drought. So through my research, I noticed that the irrigation system is the solution. As you can see, this is a slopey farm. This is the farmhouse, the borehole, the tank, the pipes, the farm, and the sprinkler area. This milk tin represents a tank. This straws here represents the pipes, and this hole here represents the sprinklers. The irrigation system works like this. When the tank is filled up to its brim, the water goes through the pipes. Since this is a slopey farm, gravity automatically makes the water go through the pipes down to where the sprinklers are, and then the sprinklers are set up to apply water on our plant. This is a borehole. This borehole is usually used to pump water into a tank. When you have a borehole, then you don't need to be pumping water into your tank every day or every time, because there will always be enough water for your tank and for your crops.
My name is Hepsi Bakata, and I'm going to show you my invention. I created this model of an institute because this is how I plan to solve the global issue. The issue is that we need more universities that encourage people to follow what they believe in. In here we have a wild bee board, and we have the lab, the computing lab, where they can research on what they need for various projects. Most people who are young inventors, they don't usually have the materials or resources they need, so when they come to this institute, they can see the type of materials they need, and they'll be able to access everything for free.